Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kushi and today's video is all about 10 productive things that you guys can do in your quarantine time. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you guys can do is learn a new language. I think it's super fun. It not only enhances your knowledge, but at the same time it also increases your IQ level. And yes, I'm also learning Spanish. I can do this thing to you. Hola, so Kushi, mucho gusto. I don't know if I sound correct or not. And yes, you can learn it. You can take a friend with you and learn this any language and can converse easily. So why not do this? It will be super fun. The second one, read. Like, I think that you guys should read books. They are the, like, when we say no that books are your best friends, they really are. Currently I am reading this book. It's crazy, it's so interesting to read this, and I'm telling you, when I read a book and it's interesting, I complete it in a day or two. So you guys should also try it. And yes, the best book that like so far that I've read is The Secret. I really love this and you guys should give it a try as well. The third one will be start a course. You guys can do it. Many online websites and apps are giving free courses as of now, and Harvard as well is also coming, like has also come up with so many free courses. I am doing one of them, that is entrepreneurship in emerging economies, and learning from Tarun sir is a blessing. So you guys also check it. I'll like put that link in the description box, so please do check it out. And the fourth one is, it's very personal, that try that thing that you always wanted to do. I think like we all have this one thing that we always wanted to do, and it's super crazy that I'll tell you what I do in my free time. I am learning these font styles. This is so crazy to learn them, and it takes a lot of time doing this. So at the same time you also don't get bored and you're learning a new thing. So fifth one will be listen to podcasts, listen to TED Talks. They are very inspirational, they are very motivational, and they're all available on YouTube, Spotify, like podcasts on Spotify. So please check it out. It gives a hell lot of knowledge to everyone, and getting inspiration from those who are already who have already crossed this difficult path and struggled a lot. It's really great. You guys should really check it out. Like the last TED Talk that I heard was from Larissa. I really get inspiration from her. Like, she's a travel vlogger and she does a hell lot of fun with all these things, and I also get inspired with what all she has done. So you guys please do check it out. Sixth one will be work on your physical health. Do some workout or dance. The best exercise I can ever think of. Dance, workout, play a song and do Zumba dance, aerobic dance. They are so much fun. Doing productive things does not always mean doing boring things. The seventh one for me will be like improving the things that are in your hobby list. That maybe it's dancing, maybe it's singing. You can learn from YouTube, you can learn any instrument, you can learn any dance style. Eighth one will, like for me, will be start planning your future goals. Get yourself indulged in something that you always wanted to do. Like, how do you see yourself after 10 years or 5 years, and what courses do you want to pursue, what professional degrees that you are interested in. That I'll tell you that I've also started doing this thing. These are my goals for 2020 and I've done 2 or 3 of them. So it's very important that you guys should also know now what you have to do, what not. So please do it. And the ninth one, the very special one that I really want that you guys should give it a try, is delete all the negativity that you have in your life. It's very important because you cannot always take everything around yourself further in life, and especially negative things. Remove all of them. Like, press that delete button, remove all the ugly photos, or remove all the followers that you have, or all the all the people that you have in your following list that you don't like. Just remove them from a contact list, because seeing those things or seeing those people around you always does not give you the positivity that you always want. So do that thing. It's really important in life. It's really important to to do those things and get indulge in positive things, so please do it. And the 10th one, the very special one, is start learning cooking. It's very important in life, because at the end of the day, the most important thing that you need is food. And I know everyone is eating lots of food, so please give it a try. Help your mom and dad start learning cooking. It's super crazy. I know it's so tough to cut the onions, but please give it a try. It's super fun, and you guys learn this thing after some time, that learning cooking is really important in life. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. And yes, thank you so much for 650 subscribers. It really means a lot. Let's get to 700 super soon. And please do comment down that what do you want to see next on my channel. And I really love you all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because it's free. And I'll see you guys in my next video then. Bye bye.